Most people get this wrong when trying to close their Varo account. They think deleting the app from their phone automatically closes the account. Here's the truth no one tells you. Uninstalling the app does not usually close a financial account, and missing a few important steps can create unnecessary headaches later. In this video, you'll learn how to cancel your Varo account in 2026, what to do before closing it, and the biggest mistakes you should avoid. Let's get straight into it. Before requesting account closure, make sure your account balance is at zero. This is one of the most important steps. If money is still in the account, you'll generally need to transfer it to another bank account, or withdraw it through available options before proceeding. For example, imagine Alex wants to close his account immediately, but forgets about the remaining balance. That can slow down the process and create unnecessary delays. So always start by checking your balance. But here's the problem. Many users focus only on the money inside the account. This is where most people fail. Before closing the account, review any pending transactions, recurring payments, subscriptions, or direct deposits connected to the account. If a paycheck, subscription charge, or automatic bill payment arrives after closure, it could create complications. Take a few minutes to update your payment information wherever necessary. Now here's where it gets interesting. Once you've handled your balance and pending transactions, you'll need to contact Varo through its official support channels and request account closure according to its current procedures. The exact process may change over time, which is why following the latest instructions from Varo is important. In a minute, I'll show you the step that can save you a lot of frustration later. First, be prepared to verify your identity. Financial institutions typically require identity verification before processing sensitive account requests. Having your account information ready can help make the process smoother. Now here's the step most people forget. Keep records of everything. Save confirmation emails, support ticket numbers, chat transcripts, or any communication related to your closure request. Let's say John closes his account, and 6 months later needs proof that the request was completed. Having documentation makes that situation much easier to handle. That's a small step with a huge payoff. Another good practice is confirming that all direct deposits have been redirected to a new account before finalizing the closure. You don't want a paycheck arriving at an account that's no longer active. The bottom line is simple. To cancel your Varo account in 2026, first move any remaining funds, review pending transactions and subscriptions, update direct deposits, contact Varo through official support channels, complete any required verification, and keep records of the entire process. Following these steps can help make the closure process smoother and reduce the risk of unexpected issues. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more banking tutorials and financial app guides, and let me know in the comments what topic you'd like covered next.